So I came outside and this is what I see. It's raining out, so a pigeon looks like he's sleeping on the air conditioning. I think he's sleeping. He won't budge. I went close to him a couple times and he hasn't moved at all. So it's just a sleeping pigeon. Is this how they sleep? Does anyone know about pigeons? Is this pigeon asleep? I doubt he's dead. He can't die like this, can he? But it's raining, so I'm guessing maybe he's sleeping. It's raining outside, so maybe he is asleep. I don't know. Can any pigeon experts comment and let me know if he's asleep?